Alright guys, you got the Q-Cat again. This is an update to my 24 volt solar panel issue. As you can see, I got one 12 volt panel here, one 12 volt panel here. Okay, and I got a 24 volt inverter, and not thinking, I just wired them up like they should. So just threw them up on the roof and just wired them all up in parallel. It was 12 volts coming down, and well, solar panel didn't kick on. So what we did was we took the cord from each panel, okay? And yes, this is from Harbor Freight, okay? I don't know if you can get these anymore, but they were combiners, okay? And what I did was I took the positive side from this panel, and then I took the negative side from this panel, and then that's what this is right here. This is the positive going into the negative. So how you would run a battery in series, okay? And then the lead coming out, that would be the negative here. Let's just use that for example. And then the positive from here, okay? So then what I did was with this combiner, okay, since you technically only have one wire from each panel, it's not two wires. You have one wire from each panel, one side being negative, one side being positive. It's the two going in there. When you open this up, there's two little there's a piece of hardware in there, you know, and I unscrewed it, put your positive and your negative in there, and then that shoots out from the Motorola plug, which is in there. You really can't see it, but here's the cool thing. (43.9 volts). So we effectively have two 25 watt panels. So we got 50 watts that are producing 43.9 volts. I was a little nervous to cut the wiring and stuff like that, but yeah, that worked perfect. And as you can see, there's not a cloud in the sky, full sun. So we got 43.9 volts. So we're gonna throw this back up on the roof and drop the wiring down and throw it back into the controller, man. And yeah, so that's what we had to do, man. So if you kind of just follow the theory behind it, you get it. And you know, for the system's running 24 volts. All right, have a good one. Get the Q-Cat.